Mastering the phrase, having all the aces. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English idiom, having all the aces. This phrase is packed with meaning and is a great tool to add to your English language arsenal. Stick around as we explore its origins, meaning, and how to use it in conversation. Whether you're a language learner or just looking to polish your English skills, this video is for you. Having all the aces is an idiom that originates from card games, where the ace is often the highest and most valuable card. In this context, to have all the aces means to be in a position of strength or advantage, where success is almost guaranteed. It's a metaphor for having all the resources or advantages needed to succeed in a situation. Let's put this phrase into context with some examples. In a business negotiation, if one party has more information and leverage, they could be said to be having all the aces. During a sports competition, a team that's better prepared and in peak condition has all the aces against their opponents. These examples show how versatile the phrase is, applicable in various scenarios from business to sports, and even in personal achievements. To use having all the aces effectively in conversation. 1. Identify the context. It works best in situations where someone has a clear advantage. 2. Combine with descriptive language. Enhance your message by describing why someone has all the aces. For example, thanks to their thorough research, they have all the aces in today's meeting. Remember, it's a powerful expression that conveys not just advantage but overwhelming advantage. And there you have it, having all the aces, demystified. We hope this explanation helps you understand and use this phrase confidently in your English conversations. Remember, learning idioms is a great way to make your English sound more natural and fluent. Thanks for watching, and we hope to see you in our next video. Happy learning!